I'm working to my brother. Ate, ano yung iakatid mo sa school?
Iraos mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Go.
My brother, I can't handle to going to school every day.
Oh, you go to school every day with your brother, or he goes?
Yeah.
Both of you?
What?
Both of you go to school?
What?
Both of you go to school, or your little brother goes to school?
Yeah.
Little brother goes to school?
Ate, ano yun, ate?
Olga, kausapin mo. Kinakausap ka eh.
How's the weather over there?
Ate, nahihilo na ako. Sumasakit yung ulo. Ate, nakakahilo nga pala, no?
How's the weather daw over there?
My weather in the Philippines is very rainy.
Oh, really? Is it raining right now?
No, not now. Later. The clouds is very dark.
And
Really?
then,
Yeah.
The house is dark?
What?
The house is dark?
House and lot?
Do you miss me?
Oh yeah. Over. You and my ate.
Oh.
I miss you both always.
is you boot?
And where's Bonge?
Bunga is died last June 20. Bunga is Bunga have little cancer.
Has liver cancer?
Bunga is very going to die. I'm sad, but
Oh.
a little bit.
Is he in the hospital? Where's his body?
Where's the body?
Yeah.
Bunga's body is garbage in the river. Because I have no money to buy the casket.
Oh. What's your dream man again?
What?
What's your dream? Like your dream man.
My dream last night
No, you're